Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to install Sandbox Digital Wellbeing on your rooted Android phone. This module is a game changer for those who want to take control of their digital well-being without compromising battery life. Before we get into the installation process, let's briefly discuss what digital well-being is and why it's important. In essence, digital well-being is a feature built into Android that helps you track your screen time, set app usage limits, and promote healthier digital habits. While it's a valuable tool, it can also be a significant battery drain, especially when running in the background. That's where Sandbox Digital Wellbeing comes into play. This module allows you to install Digital Wellbeing as a separate app, giving you more granular control over its functionality. By isolating Digital Wellbeing from the rest of your system, you can prevent it from running unnecessary background processes, thereby conserving battery life. Before we get started, make sure you have the following: a rooted Android device. Magisk installed, the Sandbox Digital Wellbeing module. Open Magisk Manager and tap on Modules. Tap the Install from TH Storage button to add a new module. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the Sandbox Digital Wellbeing module and select it. Tap Install. After the module is installed, reboot your device for the changes to take effect. Once your device has restarted, open the newly installed Digital Wellbeing app. By following these steps, you can effectively install Sandbox Digital Wellbeing on your rooted Android phone and take control of your digital well-being without compromising battery life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also benefit from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.